It's been a while since I've done an update on the gazing ball, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you what I'm actually up to. And I've been really quite busy adding more flowers and leaves, and also filling in all these gaps here where it needs the tessera put. And there's quite a lot of that, and that can be quite time consuming, filling in all these small areas. I've had a friend help me, which has been really good, and it's helped speed the process up. But as we know with mosaics, it's a slow process anyway, so it's going to take quite a bit of time. But as you can see here, I've got quite a bit more to do, and that's just in that area without going over the other side of the gazing ball. I have decided to rip out all this area here, the top area, for the second time. I know when I actually did that, I wasn't totally happy with it. I love the butterflies, but the whole thing will have to be ripped out because I know this is quite a large project, and I know that I'm not going to be totally happy with it when I've finished. So I'd really like to rip that out and redo it. I've been creating some other flowers like these beautiful orange ones here, and this is the glass I've been using, which is absolutely stunning glass. It's got beautiful texture in it, and it's also iridized on the other side. And that's a beautiful glass to work with. And I also have been working with this other glass to do these beautiful high range of flowers and these gorgeous leaves. And I love the texture on these leaves. I think that they've come up really quite well. And I'll just show you the glass that I've been using for that. There you go, that's the glass. And this glass came from Access Glass. And I'll put their website down the bottom of the screen there in case you'd like to go and have a look on their site, or if you're passing their place, you can also go to their showroom, a very large showroom, and have a look through their range, and the staff will be very helpful and happy to help you with any of your project inquiries or questions. Now, I've had a few people ask about grouting this ball. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be grouting this in sections. I've already grouted the bottom area down here, but because it's quite a large sphere, I'm not going to be able to grout this in one go because I won't be able to see how good I've grouted directly underneath. So I've decided to do it in sections. And that means that once I've completed all the little areas here, all those little gaps are all filled in with tessera, then I will grout an area when it's completely done. And that might be from the bottom up to, say, the first row of flowers here, or maybe this area here, but I'll have to grout it in sections. Even if I had more people helping, we wouldn't be able to see underneath the gazing ball, or I wouldn't be confident enough to know that it's all done correctly underneath the gazing ball. So I think moving forward, that's going to be the best way to actually grout this piece. Now, on another note, I'm going to mention also 3 other YouTube channels that I think you should have a look at. One being Smith Mosaics. She does amazing work with flowers, with stained glass, and also she does a lot of work with stained glass on mirror. So check out her channel. It's a great channel. And also Caroline Gerald-Waller, who works a lot with ceramics and also tiles. She's a wonderful artist. And also Julie Mazzoni also has a wonderful YouTube channel, and she's very talented as well. And she does lots of different amazing projects. So I'm going to put the links to those channels down the bottom of the description box of this video. Check them out, show them some love, and subscribe to their channel. So anyway, I hope you've taken quite a bit away from this video. I hope it's answered a few of your questions. If you do have any comments, then put a comment down in the bottom of the YouTube channel in the comments section there. And if you like the video, please give it a like. Think about subscribing if you haven't already subscribed. And if you saw value in it, please share it far and wide. And I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.